everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, big adventures need big vehicles. And today we're diving into the 2025 Chrysler Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend wanderer or a full-time road warrior, this rig is Chrysler's boldest leap into the luxury RV space yet. Let's start with the outside. Chrysler's design DNA shines through with sleek, aerodynamic lines that set it apart from the boxy RVs of old. The front grille borrows cues from the Pacifica, but it's been reimagined for utility, with integrated LED light bars and a panoramic windshield that wraps around for a commanding road view. There's an electric retractable awning, built-in solar panels, and underbody storage that rivals some full-sized pickups. Everything's powered, sealed, and weatherproof, ready for any terrain. Step inside and you're greeted by what Chrysler calls the travel suite. High-quality materials, faux suede, real wood trim, and soft-touch surfaces make this feel more like a boutique hotel than a camper. The floor plan is modular. In the day mode, you've got a full kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a dual-door fridge. The lounge converts into a workspace or entertainment area, with a 50-inch smart display and 5G hotspot built in. At night, the lounge transforms into a queen-size Murphy bed with memory foam, while the rear cabin can either be a bunk room or extra storage. And yes, there's a full wet bath with a rainfall showerhead. Tech is a huge focus. The control system is powered by Chrysler's Uconnect Travel Suite, which lets you monitor water levels, solar charging, HVAC, and lighting, all from a touchscreen or mobile app. There's also voice control for major functions. Yes, you can say, dim the lights or start the generator. It's Alexa and Google Home compatible too. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the chassis, you get a 6.4-liter V8 gas engine pushing 410 horsepower. That's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and Chrysler's new torque track system, which adjusts power delivery for hills, gravel, and wet roads. You'll get around 9 to 12 mpg depending on load. It's rated to tow up to 8,000 pounds, perfect for bringing along a Jeep or small boat. On the safety front, Chrysler didn't cut corners. You get adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and even a 360-degree camera system. Super handy when parking this 30-foot giant. What really makes the 2025 Chrysler Motorhome stand out is how self-contained it is. Between the 800-watt solar array, a 10-kilowatt-hour battery bank, and an optional hybrid generator, you can boondock for days with no hookups. It's luxury but not just for looks. Everything is functional, durable, and designed with real travel in mind. So, is the 2025 Chrysler Motorhome worth it? If you're looking to combine style, smart tech, and serious performance in one mobile home, this just might be your dream driveway on wheels. For more reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.